USA might fail the AI revolution because of Nvidia. Peter Thiel sold his entire stake in Nvidia worth $100 million. Michael Burry, the guy who predicted the 2008 financial crash, has shorted Nvidia stocks with $9.2 million. SoftBank sold its entire holding in Nvidia for $5.8 billion. What is it that these billionaires know that we don't? USA has assumed that the entire AI revolution would be around semiconductor chips, but the reality is strikingly different. The AI infrastructure demands massive computing clusters, always on data centers, and cheap, stable, continuous power supply. AI's power demand is exponential, which makes it extremely critical in building the AI future of dreams. And apparently, China is winning the race because China produces more electricity than US and its power generation capacity is increasing faster every year. When talking about power, electricity generation alone wouldn't be enough. Transmission grids also become very crucial. China is building high voltage transmission lines aggressively, however, US is lagging behind. Simply because US is a democracy, which makes project execution in US face delays. But China follows dictatorship. Therefore, it faces lesser political and legal roadblocks. Michael Burry stated that US grid development is deaccelerating exactly when it should be accelerating. America's AI strategy is unsustainable as their focus is too concentrated on Nvidia chips. The AI future is mounted on energy, metal, grids, and infrastructure, and in the long run, it would reward speed and scale. Right now, China looks better aligned with all the needs. According to Michael Burry's recent post, America is trying to win the AI race with a power system that is not built to scale fast enough, while China is removing all those constraints aggressively. Nvidia is creating chips which draw higher power and need extreme cooling conditions. They are assuming unlimited power availability, which might not be the case in US. The US ecosystem lacks the infrastructure these Nvidia chips demand. Billions of dollars are flowing into Nvidia dependent AI startups and data centers instead of power and energy infrastructure. In the short run, it might feel that US dominates, but in the long run, grid limitations and high power costs might pull them back. China has so far treated energy as their core strategic infrastructure. Nvidia is a great company which creates revolutionary chips. However, relying on Nvidia completely to dominate the AI battle might not be a very great plan.